Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. You may have heard about Flash USDT somewhere, and that's why you may be watching this video. So the first question is, are Flash USDT real? The answer is, yes, they are real, but they stay on the blockchain for a short term, as the name itself implies, Flash. So how can we use these USDT and make real money? This is what this video is about. First thing you need to do is download and install Tron Wallet on your desktop. Tron Wallet is a Web3 wallet for the Tron blockchain. Make sure you have a minimum of 1,500 TRX on your wallet. You will need TRX to pay for gas fees and all. The next thing you will need is a smart contract to generate the Flash USDT. A smart contract is a set of rules written in Solidity which are executed on the blockchain to generate Flash USDT. It is deployed on the blockchain, and a set of commands are called in the blockchain. These commands are called functions. It is with the help of these functions we create Flash USDT. So these are the rules in the smart contract. You will need at least 800 TRX to generate Flash USDT. 800 TRX will yield around 120,000 Flash USDT. 1,000 TRX will yield around 150,000 Flash USDT. 2,000 TRX will yield around 300,000 Flash USDT, and so on. The smart contract we are using is latest and updated. Another feature here is that the Flash USDT created is 100% swappable on any DEX. We are going to use this feature to make permanent money. We will now copy the smart contract. Make sure you are copying the contract from the link shown here and do not use any malicious sites. I will attach a link to the contract in the description too. Now we will paste the contract in a website called tronide.io. Here we can launch the smart contract on the Tron blockchain. Create a new file and name it Flash USDT and press enter and paste the code here. The name of the contract is Tron Flash USDT bot. Now just compile the contract. Choose compiler version 0.5.10 and compile Flash USDT.sol. If the compilation is successful, you will see a green tick mark, else an error. Now go to Deploy and Run Transactions sections, and from the environment, select Injected Tron Web. Your Tron Link wallet will pop up and ask for connection to this website. If the wallet is connected successfully, your wallet address along with the balance will be displayed in the Account section in the Tron IDE website. From the Contract section, select Tron Flash USDT bot. Now on the Deploy section, select token name as Tether and token symbol as UST and click Transact. If your contract is deployed successfully, you will see your contract under Deployed Contracts. Generate Flash USDT. Withdrawal are all functions of these contracts, or we can say command we can execute using this contract. To verify your contract is deployed successfully on the blockchain, cross-check it by copying the contract address and searching it on a Tron blockchain explorer like Tronscan. If the contract is really deployed, it should appear on Tronscan. Copy the contract address, and for the demo purpose of the video, I am going to send 800 TRX, which should probably give me around 120,000 Flash USDT. Let's refresh the page and check. We can see that the TRX is deposited in the contract. Now let's generate the Flash USDT. Call Generate Flash USDT function and trigger the smart contract. The next step is to call the withdrawal function so that the Flash USDT generated on the contract is withdrawn to our wallet. Refresh the wallet and the Flash USDT should reflect in your wallet. Now the next step is turning this Flash USDT into permanent money. It is a very simple step. Just use sun.io and swap the USDT for TRX. Now you can transfer this TRX to any other wallet, any exchange wallet, and it will never disappear. You can even exchange it for other crypto assets.